What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Senpai back again with another quick tutorial, and today we are talking about proximity chat for Among Us. The leading proximity chat application, and the only one I really know of right now, is called Crewlink. This app is actually extremely easy to install and utilize. Now, keep in mind, please, this is for PC only. Currently, I'm not aware of any mods for mobile proximity chat, but now that that's out of the way, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, guys, step one, go ahead and open your browser. Just come on over to Google, and the very first thing we're gonna do is hit the search bar here, and we're gonna type in Crewlink, that's one word, download. Okay, then just search. You're gonna come down here to the second result. It should be github.com, that's github.com. This is a GitHub link here as well, but the actual download right here is under the releases link. So as you see here, it says releases automated / Crewlink here, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're here, it's going to tell you the latest version. Right now, we are on version 2.0.1. If you're watching this video a few weeks or a few months after it's uploaded, then there's likely going to be a more recent version, but this video should still pretty much hold true as far as getting it set up and getting started. So the very first thing you're going to do is come down here. You're going to click on the most recent Crewlink setup, and this is the download right here. As you can see, it's only 110 megabits, not too big. We're going to go ahead and click right here on Crewlink setup. And down on the bottom left of my browser here, you see it is downloading the file now. As soon as it's done, we're just going to hit open, and it's going to automatically install pretty much right away. So there we go. We have Crewlink installing now. Okay. Once Crewlink is installed, you are going to, so this is my shortcut right here. So this is what you're looking for, this little guy. If it doesn't auto open, just double click your Crewlink. Now, this is a very, very important step when using Crewlink in proximity chat. When you open Among Us, you have to open it using Crewlink. If you open Among Us by itself, Crewlink will not integrate. So when you want to play with prox chat, you have to open it here. So go ahead and click open game, and boom. So as you can see, we have Among Us open. Now, if everything is set up properly, at this point, Crewlink should read menu right here. So it tells you that you are at the main menu, which shows that you are, you do have Among Us open, you do have your Crewlink linked, because the Crewlink knows exactly what part of the game you're on. So we're just going to go to online, and we're going to create a private game. Well, just doesn't matter where we go. Okay. So now that we're here, as you can see, it says lobby. Now this can display the code. Since I stream, I choose for it not to display the code, so instead it just says lobby. But right here is usually where you would have the code displayed. As you can see, when I talk, this little green ring lights up around me. Now if I stop, boom, it's gone. So you know you're being heard when you see the green light up. Now there are a few things you might have to do when you first open a game with Crewlink. Number one, if you don't see this green ring, that means your mic might not be getting recognized. So come over here to your settings gear in the top left. And if you scroll down, you're going to see an option for your microphone. Sometimes I do have the proper microphone set and it still doesn't register, so what I'll end up doing is just selecting a different microphone and then reselecting my default microphone, and it ends up working. Now, as long as you have that set up, you're pretty much good to go. You can provide this code right here to anybody that is also opening their game with Crewlink, and proximity chat will automatically be set up. Now, there is one more very important thing you have to remember when using proximity chat, is that it's still a little bit buggy. And when people join, they're actually going to pop up right below your little bean right here, right? You're going to have, up to 9 players pop up down below. Some of them may have a red Wi-Fi symbol or a orange disconnect symbol. If you see that, that means either there is a problem on your end or there is a problem on their end. And there is a very quick fix everyone can do. Usually when you encounter that issue, it is because somebody's Crewlink is not perfectly synced up. So all you have to do is click on your Crewlink and you hold Control and press R. Control R. That completely refreshes the Crewlink and resyncs everything up. Please keep in mind as well, if you're playing with Crewlink and someone gets kicked from the game, it can completely throw off Crewlink. So if anyone gets kicked while playing with proximity chat, some people will no longer be able to be heard. You might be able to hear ghosts. There can be all kinds of bugs and issues. So if someone gets kicked from your lobby mid-game, sometimes it's better just to restart. Even hitting Control R can sometimes just make things worse at that point. So that's pretty much the main things to consider when setting up Crewlink. If you are a streamer, you might want to consider setting up a deafen button. So if you're talking to your chat, or if you're playing with other streamers and you don't want them to be picked up or heard, you can come on down here and do keyboard setups. You can do push to talk. I just have mine pretty much on auto. And then there is also a spot right here where you can turn the voice distance up or down so you can hear people from further away or from closer. And there's also a fun new option added from this update where when you sabotage comms, nobody can hear each other. So if someone sabs comms and all of a sudden no one can talk, that's why. With previous Crewlink, sometimes you would need to insert a different voice server. Crewlink has since fixed that, so the default voice server should be all you need. And your deafen option is going to be right here. I keep mine on my space bar, so it's pretty easy, you know, while I'm playing. If I want to talk to chat, I just smash that space bar and start talking. Now also keep in mind, once you change any settings, you're going to want to make sure you hit this back arrow for them to all take place. Also, you'll notice if I click Crewlink and I hit spacebar, it did not deafen me. If you want the deafen to work, you actually have to click the Among Us game itself. Boom. So I hit spacebar, and now as you can see, I have the little microphone with the slash through it showing that I am deafened and muted, so no one can hear me anymore. But as you noticed, when I click Crewlink, if I hit spacebar, nothing happens. The commands for Crewlink have to be done with Among Us selected. So there we go. Just hit spacebar again, and we're good to go. So yeah, as far as deafening, select here, hit spacebar, or whatever hotkey you have. You can mute, unmute, all you want to do. And then also just keep in mind when it comes to any problems with Crewlink, or if you're trying to get everybody in the lobby and some people aren't connecting, make sure you click on Crewlink itself, and that's when you want to Control R to refresh the application. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have, please smash that like button and hit that subscription bell. Senpai, senpai, that's why I senpai.